Now, I think I erased the tape, so we'll start over. Here I have a sheet of aluminum foil I borrowed from a neighbor. I took and sprinkled some baking soda and some salt into some water over here and brought it to a boil. My ring, as you can see, very shiny on this side, right? On this side is dull. I accidentally forgot to take it off when I was using some bleach. Bleach oxidizes sterling silver. So I need to get it back to its former glory. So we're going to take the aluminum foil, make sure that every bit of it where it's oxidized comes in contact with the aluminum foil. So that way it will electrolyte and oxidize and bring back the sterling silver, removing the tarnish off of itself. Now, I'm going to take this bowl because it's deep enough, and the water, baking soda, salt mixture, I'm pouring directly in here. I'm going to need to add a little bit more water because it has to cover the entire surface. Now I need a fork or a knife or something to make sure that stays submerged. My dinner is ready. Okay. Now I only need to put it in there like 1 or 2 minutes, but I want to be sure, so I'm leaving it in there for 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to push this down with the knife, poke a hole in there, so that way it holds it under the water, so that way the chemical effect can take effect. Yes. Take our dinner out so it can be at the ready. That's hot. Okay. Now, let's add a couple ice cubes to that so I can touch it. Alrighty then. Oh, in case I didn't say so, this is People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, PurpleButterfly Soaps, could be located at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com. And that should be enough ice to reduce the temperature, so that way I can touch it without burning myself. I think I need one more ice cube, which means I need 2 more ice cubes because I always err on the side of caution as opposed to err on the side of carelessness. Yeah. And we're going to stir this until most of the ice cube has dissolved, or until it doesn't feel hot to touch anymore. Yeah. Now I'm going to take it out of the container. Now, you see how the aluminum is a little bit dull? That's because it has already tried to oxidize that ring. Supposedly. The water's also turned a little bit cloudy too. This is the side that had nothing wrong with it. This is the side that was oxidized with the bleach. And as you could tell, it's come back from the brink. I'm going to put it back in here, let it soak for a little bit, maybe scrub it with the aluminum to encourage the chemical reaction. Give it a swish. And now that is good as new. Look at there. So if you accidentally get bleach on your sterling silver, this will bring it back. This also works if you get ammonia on your jewelry. It works only on sterling silver though. If you messed up some gold, I don't know what to tell you. I don't generally use gold. I am an expert on sterling silver because all my jewelry is sterling silver, and I've been wearing sterling silver for, I'm not telling my age, but in my 50s, and my first piece of sterling silver jewelry was when I was 12 years old. And I had to learn how to take care of it without the use of tarnish. By the time they came up with tarnish, I already knew what to do with natural means. And then when I could afford tarnish, my brain said that costs too much, so I have been using this method ever since. Baking soda, salt, boiling water, and a piece of aluminum foil. Even if you have to go borrow a sheet of aluminum foil from a buddy, that's all you need to bring back your jewelry. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed. Bye now. Look at that. Good as new. Yep.